See, everything is gonna change. Whatever you look around yourself, I think everything will change. All these technologies, they are going to be very, very significant in our life.
We envision that we are going to use robotics and humans and the human-robotic interface for improvement of society.
That our focus should be human-robot interactions. Human-robot interaction means that human intelligence with the robot's precision. We are called Cobotics. Cobotics means collaborative robotics, where human beings and robot work together.
We work on technologies of the future. We look at ways in which these technologies will actually get deployed. We provide leadership in this. We work with industry.
So we have chosen four major thrust areas, we may call it. One is called the medical robotics. The second is the defense robotics. Third is the agriculture robotics. And fourth is the industry 4.0 or industry 5.0.
We are trying to build an ecosystem here. When we talk about ecosystem, it starts from the kind of research capabilities that we are able to build. How is that we are able to instill the sense of commercialization in all those activities. We should talk about how is that research getting translated into products. So I think we want to be that ecosystem, we want to be that enabler which is making that possible.
We've also got a large number of research projects and technology development. We are also creating some common infrastructure, for instance in the area of medical simulation, in the area of drones, which can be used by a whole group, so that we are trying to create an innovation ecosystem in the field of cobotics.
Some of the research, for example, prosthetic hands done by Tezpur University, the professor tells that it is undergoing field trials with the doctors. So that's a kind of a positive that it is reaching towards the markets. Coming to the startup funding, we are very happy that one of the startup companies from IIT Delhi, Botlab Dynamics, whom we funded last year, they could show 1,000 drone swarming on 29th of January last year, which made the country fourth in the world. So that's a pride on us because we have been contributing to that part.
What an industry can offer, an academia can't. What an academia can offer, industry can't. If we all come together, that's the real value proposition for a startup. So I think that is what we are trying to build through a collaboration.
The mission of IHFC and the mission of IIT Delhi, there is a lot of synergy. And so we are treating IHFC as an extension of the things that we anyway want to do. So we've been supportive in terms of our students, our researchers, our admin and our infrastructure. We also have our faculty members writing proposals, and so some of the projects done by IHFC are actually implemented in our institute.
So we would like to see it as a global company. And when I say a global company, it's a research aggregator, actually, the way we have structured ourselves.
When we talk about DTP or MCC or READY program, these are some of the initiatives, when we are talking about students who have an intention to work in the domain of research and development, they need to be supported. They have still not made up their mind as to if they are going to start a job, they are going to start a startup, they are going to work a little bit more in terms of whatever they are passionate about. We want to give them a platform, and that is what READY is all about.
Then we are creating two specialized centers, which we call Medical Cobotics Center. It will be done in collaboration with IIT Delhi. The second one is the drone technology part.
And the reason we have selected Sonipat is that it is away from this red zone. So it's an easy place to test. It's an easy place to bring everyone together. So we want to create an ecosystem for testing, manufacturing, research and development, startups, incubation, training, all these put together in that space.
The first goal of success would be creating an impact in society through some value add in terms of technologies and ideas.
I would definitely want IHFC to make an impact, an impact wherein we see our ecosystem coming together to see that we as an entity, we as a country, we as an ecosystem are able to build products on our own. And that is what we want to do as a part of IHFC.